Did you know that cats are one of the most popular pets in the world? Cat face. They are independent, intelligent, and full of unique personalities. From calm and gentle companions to playful and energetic explorers, every cat breed is different in its own special way. Some cats love to relax all day, while others enjoy climbing, running, and even playing with water. Their behavior, appearance, and needs can vary a lot depending on their breed. In this video, we're going to explore 5 amazing cat breeds and uncover some interesting facts about each of them. You'll learn what makes them unique, how they behave, and why they might be the perfect pet for you. Whether you are planning to get a cat or you simply love learning about animals, this video will give you valuable insights and fun facts you probably didn't know. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing pet content. So, let's get started and discover these fascinating cats together. The first, the British Shorthair, is one of the most iconic cat breeds in the world, known for its round face and plush, teddy bear-like appearance. These cats are calm, independent, and perfect for people who prefer a low-maintenance pet. Unlike many other breeds, they are not overly demanding and enjoy simply relaxing near their owner rather than being constantly held. Interestingly, British Shorthairs are not very active and prefer a quiet lifestyle. They are also known for their dense, soft coat, especially the famous blue-gray color. If you want a peaceful and loyal companion, this breed is a perfect choice. The second, the Persian cat, is the definition of elegance and luxury. With its long, flowing fur and flat face, it looks like royalty. These cats are incredibly calm and love quiet environments, making them ideal for indoor living. However, their beauty comes with responsibility. Their long coat requires daily grooming to prevent tangles. One fascinating fact is that Persian cats often have watery eyes due to their facial structure, so regular cleaning is important. They enjoy a relaxed lifestyle and prefer lounging over playing. If you are looking for a calm and beautiful companion, the Persian cat is a perfect match. The third. The Maine Coon is one of the largest domestic cat breeds, often referred to as the gentle giant. Despite their impressive size, they are incredibly friendly and affectionate. These cats are highly intelligent and often behave like dogs, following their owners around the house. One surprising fact is that Maine Coons actually enjoy water, which is unusual for cats. Their thick fur and bushy tail help them survive in cold climates. They are playful, social, and great with families. If you want a big, loving, and interactive pet, the Maine Coon is an excellent choice. The fourth, the Siamese cat, is famous for its striking blue eyes and unique color pattern. But what truly makes this breed special is its personality. Siamese cats are extremely vocal and love to talk to their owners. They are highly social and do not like being left alone for long periods. These cats are very intelligent and can even learn tricks. One interesting fact is that Siamese kittens are born completely white, and their color develops as they grow. If you want a lively, interactive, and talkative companion, the Siamese cat is perfect for you. The fifth, the Bengal cat, looks like a miniature leopard, thanks to its stunning spotted coat. This breed is extremely energetic and loves to play, climb, and explore. Bengals are not your typical lazy cats, they need a lot of stimulation and activity. One fascinating fact is that many Bengal cats enjoy playing with water, which is quite rare. They are also very intelligent and can learn tricks quickly. If you are looking for an active and exotic-looking pet that will keep you entertained, the Bengal cat is a fantastic option. And that was just a glimpse into the fascinating world of cat breeds. Cat face. Each of these cats has its own unique personality, behavior, and special charm. Some are calm and relaxed, while others are playful and full of energy, making every breed truly one of a kind. But remember, choosing a pet is not just about looks. It's about understanding their needs, lifestyle, and giving them the care they truly deserve. If you'd like to learn even more interesting facts, detailed care tips, and discover other amazing pet breeds, make sure to stay connected with this channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment telling us which cat you liked the most, and subscribe for more educational pet content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.